Okay, everyone, let's take a look at Chapter 5 PLC Programming Instructions. A hardwired motor control application is depicted by symbols in a ladder diagram. A PLC motor control application is depicted by instructions in a programming diagram. The memory of a PLC contains the processor file, which contains the program files and data table files. There are 256 possible program files with the function of program files 0, 1, and 2 defaulted by the PLC. The status of the CPU, all input devices and output components, and all instructions used in the program are found in the 256 data table files. The instructions within each data table file each have a unique address based on the file identifier and the file number. Input and output terminals are addressed as a slot.word/bit or slot/bit. Standard I/O modules have 16 points or terminals and require 1 word of memory. High-density modules have 32 points and require 2 words of memory. Information in status files is formatted as word/bit or as a word. The addressing format depends on the content of the status file. The default bit is B3. Bit file addresses are formatted as word/bit, bit, or as a word. A PLC or programming software will not accept a program when the program does not follow standard rules. Ladder diagrams depict the flow of current through hardwired devices and components, while PLC diagrams depict the flow of logic through instructions. The type of input instruction, XIC or XIO, determines how the rung of a program will operate with a normally open or NO input device. The type of input instruction, XIC or XIO, determines how the rung of a program will operate with a normally closed or NC input device. The XIC holding contact uses the same address as an OTE instruction, but is not a hardwired contact that only exists in the memory of a PLC. OTL or latch instructions can only turn a bit on, and OTU or unlatch instructions can only turn a bit off. PLCs scan program diagrams in a specific manner, with the placement of the instructions impacting scan times. Alright everyone, that was it. Next will be Chapter 6, Programming PLC Timers and Counters. See you over there.